What's the meaning of contact? Contact. Contact.
Contact. Contact. Contact refers to the act of touching or communicating with someone or something. It can be physical or non-physical, such as through a phone call or email. The result of contact may vary depending on the context and purpose. In general, it can lead to a better understanding, establishment of a relationship, exchange of information and ideas, resolution of issues or conflicts, or simply a moment of connection. However, if not managed properly, contact can also lead to misunderstandings, miscommunications, or even negative outcomes such as rejection or conflict.